Good morning, beta. Let's start with the revision of chapter number 9, rational number. So I've written question related to addition and subtraction. And you all know that in case of addition and subtraction, you have to take LCM. So take LCM of the denominator, try to make them same and add them. Hurry up, start it. Seventh A class students. I think they have gone. Okay. Let us start these questions. In case of addition, you have to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 you will take. That will be 15. Start this, hurry up. Do the question. Why you are sitting free? Yes, Drishti.
मैम आंसर है 34/15।
दृष्टि अभी ये स्क्रीन ब्लैक हो गई थी, आपको क्या शो होता है उस टाइम पे?
मैम कैसे?
अभी ना यहाँ पे मेरी स्क्रीन बिल्कुल ब्लैक हो गई थी, तो आपको क्या, आपको तो नहीं, आपको भी वही शो हो रहा था कि जैसे अभी शो हो रहा है वैसे ही शो हो रहा था?
मैम नो मैम सही था बिल्कुल।
ठीक था?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों बार बार बंद हो जाता है। ठीक है, आंसर क्या बोला है आपने?
मैम 34/15।
34/15. ओके, इज आंसर 34/15? Start next question. Regarding this subtraction, again the method is same. You have to take LCM. Take LCM of 8 and 11. That will be 88. Start these questions. We are doing these questions for last 4-5 days, and you all will be perfect to do these questions. कितना गंदा लिख रहे हो, क्या हुआ दिखाओ, show me. पहले इसको चेंज करो ना, 2 3 से 6 + 1 -7/3 20 प्लस, ऐसे थोड़ी लिखना है 20, पहले ही ऐसे लिखना है। अब लो LCM, ठीक है? 23 है ना? 23 है यहाँ पे, तभी तो रॉन्ग आ रहा है। दोबारा करो, नीटली लिखो बेटा। यस जलश।
मैम 89 over 88.
Minus 89 over
Ma'am,
88, that is minus 1 over 88. Minus you have not spoken, so answer is minus 89 over 88, that is minus 1 over 8. ये आएगा आंसर। Start next. What you will do in case of multiplication? You will cancel out the terms. Sanchit is here in the class. Yesterday you had given the test. You have done the test or not yesterday? Why? कहाँ गए हुए थे? टेस्ट कंपल्सरी नहीं है देना. You have given Prabnoor. Yes, Samriddhi, answer is?
Ma'am, minus 27 over 10.
Minus 20, it will be plus 27 over 10. Change it to mixed fraction.
2 over 7 over 10.
2, 7 over 10. Start next. Is it visible?
Ma'am, can I tell the next answer?
Yes. Sanya. Akshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanya, what is the reciprocal of 6 by minus 5? Question number 5.
Ma'am, minus 5 by 6.
Yes, minus 5 by 6. Akshit. Akshita. Himanshi. Tanya. Garvit. Arpita. Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ridhima. If in the question number 6, you have to multiply 2 by 3 with the reciprocal of minus 4 by 5. What you will do?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या करेंगे बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में?
Ma'am, numbers.
किसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है?
Ma'am, we have to multiply 2 by 3 with 5. 5 by minus 4.
Yes, yes. Can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am, 5 by minus 6.
5 by
Minus 6.
okay. 5 by minus 6 या minus 5 by 6, both are same. What? Yes, Ashima. What is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 7? Additive inverse of minus 5 by 7. प्रभनूर. करना क्या है? बोलने वाला क्वेश्चन है तो वर्बली. वो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं, दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. एडिटिव इनवर्स मींस यू हैव टू जस्ट चेंज द साइन. 5 by 7. Additive inverse of minus 5 by 7 is 5 by 7. Next, question number 8. Add additive inverse of minus 1 by 2. हाँ जी बोलो आशिमा. Additive inverse of minus 1 by 2 क्या होगा? Additive inverse में क्या होता है? साइन चेंज. उसको मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स चाहिए 3 by 5 के साथ करना है. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 3 by 5 क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स मींस रेसिप्रोकल. दोनों को ऐड करना है. जो आपने दोनों नंबर बोले हैं ना, एक तो बोला है आपने माइनस 1 by 2 का एडिटिव इनवर्स 1 by 2. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 3 by 5 इज 5 by 3. जो दोनों के आंसर आ रहे हैं ना, दैट यू हैव टू ऐड. टेल मी द आंसर आफ्टर एडिंग देम. Add them, hurry up. How you will add? By taking LCM of the denominator. Whose LCM will be taken here? 2 and 3. क्या आएगा? 6. Take LCM. Answer को? Yes, if you are getting improper, then you have to do it. Nobody will say this thing. You have to convert improper to always mixed fraction. Done? This 5, 6, and 7 we have discussed. Next is additive inverse. This multiplicative 5 by 3, add them. Divide 6 with 2, that will give you 3. 3 ones are 3. Divide 6 with 3, that will give you 2. 2 fives are 10. That is 13 by 6. Divide this. 2 1 by 6. Yes, complete this. Write the next number in the blank. Minus 5 by 15. Do next question. Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, answer is 5/9.
Yes, answer of 10th question is, you will cancel it out with 5. Answer is 5 by 9. Question number 4. Yes, Akshita. In case of division, you will write the first number 3 by 13 same, and the second number will get reciprocal. 3 by 13 multiply by 65 over minus 4. Answer will be minus 15 over 4. Minus 15 over 4. Do next question that is related to your decimal topic. In this, you have to just simply multiply and put the decimal. Do this question 11, 12, 13. This question number 11, answer will be 1.2. When you multiply this, decimal will be shift towards right. Answer is 362. And in this, answer will be 0.75. Express in kg, 0.002 kg. 0.002 kg. Is it so? Any doubt? Harshi, any doubt? Seven by 3 divided by 2. Do this question, hurry up. Divide will change to multiply and second term will get reciprocal in case of division. And first term will be same. You have come for the first day, Ashima? Yesterday you were also there. 7 by 3 multiply by 1 by 2. Answer is 7 by 6. Answer is 7 by 6. 1 by 6. If you have converted it into mixed fractions, 1 by 6. Question number 16. Convert mixed fraction into improper. Yes, first will be 3 1 by 5 will become 16 by 5. And next is 5 by 3. Divide will change to multiply. 16 by 5 multiply by 3 by 5. Cutting karo. Yes, answer. Who will tell me? Yes, Jasleen.
Ma'am, 7 by 6.
No, beta, 16th question.
123 by 25.
1.
23 by 25.
Okay, 123 by 25, mixed fraction. Means answer was 48 by 25. 48 by 25 aa raha tha. After converting it into mixed fraction, answer is 123 by 25. Solve next, 17th question. Which one is greater? Yes. .5 is greater than 0.05. Yes. Ashima, which one is greater among these, between these two? 7 is greater because 7 is 7.0 and this is 0.7. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Is it okay? Next is write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. You have to write it into expanded form. 2 into 10 raised to power 4, 0 into 10 raised to power 3, 0 into 10 raised to power 3, 7 into 10 raised to power 1, 5 into 10 raised to power 0. Okay. Now, how you will write this? 2 is at the tens place. 2 into 10 raised to power 1. 0 is at the ones place. 0 into 10 raised to power 0. Plus, this 0 is at the tens place. 10th, th. 0 into 1 by 10. Plus 3 into 1 by 100. Is it visible now? 2 is at the tens place, so 2 into 10. 0 is at the ones place, so 0 into 10 raised to power 0. This 0 is at the 10th place, 1 by 10. This 3 is at the 100th place. So you can write like this, or you can write like this also, 10 square. So 10th, 100th. Next is how much is less? How much less is 28 kilometer than this? 28 किलोमीटर इससे कितना लेस है? क्या करेंगे? डिफरेंस, इसमें से इसे माइनस करो. Do it and tell me answer. Homework written 9.1. What's the answer? 14.6. Answer is 14.6. Okay. So that means 28 kilometer is 14.6 less than 42.6 kilometer. Now in this, yes, can you tell me which type of figure is this? Equilateral triangle, as all the sides are equal. If one side is 3, then what about the other sides? They are also same. What is the perimeter? 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is